Pete here today, my favorite cat. We're going to read you Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch. It is lunchtime and Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich might be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. Pretty good, he thinks, but something is missing. He wants to add something sweet. Pete knows what he needs. An apple. Pete loves apples. It's really hard to turn the pages with these paws. If only I had fingers. Pete's sandwich needs something else. Crackers. Every meal needs crackers. They are crunchy and delicious, Pete thinks. He uses a whole box. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too small. I wonder how much food I need to eat, Pete thinks. My stomach feels very empty. Pete adds a pickle, cheese, an egg, hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. Then, to top it all off, Pete adds ice cream. He can't decide if he wants a scoop of chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. So he balances all three on top of his sandwich. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's bigger than him. How will I ever eat that, thinks Pete. Maybe I need a ladder or a funnel or maybe something to squish it down so I can take a bite. I've got it, thinks Pete. He takes out his phone and calls his friends. He asks all of them to come over right away. Everyone goes over to Pete's house. I hope they're hungry, thinks Pete. Hey, Pete, they say, do you have any snacks? I sure do, he says. Come on in. No wonder cats don't read books that often. It's kind of hard to turn the pages. Everyone takes a piece of the sandwich. There's plenty to go around. They each get the part they like the best. Now, there is no more giant sandwich. Sharing is cool, says Pete. So we could compare a sandwich to our paragraphs. Who remembers what the top part of the sandwich is called? The top part is the bun, which is the topic sentence. Then we have all the other stuff that Pete added into the sandwich, and those are the details. We usually have 3. And then the bottom bun is the conclusion. Let's see if you can write a paragraph. Maybe you could write about what Pete eats. Bye for now.